I have the pleasure and the honor to invite you to our healing tours at the Great Pyramids of Egypt. Yes, I'm going to be performing group healing sessions, and not just anywhere, but at the Karnak Temple. And it's a very special day. It's a solar alignment. It's a celebration that has been observed in Egypt for thousands of years. On December 21st, the sun rises and the rays of the sun align with the structure of the Karnak Temple.
The ancients, they made certain astronomical calculations that let the sun penetrate at certain temples at certain time every year. You know, the sun for the ancient Egyptians, it was the healing power, the chief god.
And this temple is dedicated to a goddess of love, beauty, and music. It is the equivalent of the Valentine's Day in the Western world. I have partnered with Hedy, a very intelligent, with integrity woman who has been doing tours to the Great Pyramids of Egypt for over 20 years. A little bit about her. Hedy has studied the history of her ancestors. She got her first PhD in ancient Egypt history from Helwan University in Egypt. In her studies, she highlighted new treasures and attractions in her ancestors' history, and she showed her proposal to the Ministry of Antiquary and Tourism, in which she took all the support. Hedy offers luxury tours to Egypt, more than 20 years of experience, and she holds several travel awards. She provides exclusive VIP activities and access to exclusive touristic sites for her guests. All tours are led by Doctor in Egyptology, Hedy. She's also a health and wellness coach. When I asked Hedy in an interview that we did yesterday, what is the reason that motivates her to do these tours, she said, I didn't want to do the regular tour that people just come to see the pyramids and know a little bit about the culture. I want to give them something for their wellness, some good information that they can use. She realized that incorporating energy healing was going to be a great part, a great addition for her tours. That's why she invited me.
The sun penetrates the temples, recharging the power of the gods and the temples, and recharging the power of all the attending ones. Wow. That's why I kept searching how to get the best function of this phenomenon. I have to tell you the truth that I searched for all the healing masters in the market, and I found Carlos is the best. So I kept searching around to see what people mention about your healing sessions, and I found that all the people, all the testimonials, it's wonderful.
I will show you her testimonial. I am based in Los Angeles, California, the US, and I gave her a distance healing session about a week ago. And this is her testimonial.
Hello everyone, I'm Hedy. I'm showing up today to explain my experience with healing Reiki with Carlos. First, how I know Carlos, I know about the Reiki and how it helps in relieving pain and remove toxicity from the body. I meant to have my clients, my tourists who come through my travel agent to Egypt, healing Reiki at the Egyptian temples during the solar alignment. I was looking for a professional healing master to share this event with me. So I examined everyone and I kept searching who can fit to such events, the solar alignment, and fit with my programs. Then I found Carlos. He is the best repetition one in the whole country, US and the Middle East, Europe as well. I contact him and I ask about the techniques that he used to follow, and I found that his techniques exactly as the pharaohs. I felt that what I had was such a great feeling. It's amazing that this experience should be done for everyone. Everyone should feel what I felt, from relief, no toxins in my body. It's like a magic. That's why I convince Carlos that this experience, it should be given the chance for everyone, that we can operate like healing Reiki sessions online, and everyone, this is a blessed. He should have the right to try the healing Reiki. Hopefully that we will be able to do that, and you will have the experience of such a relief. The relief, the peace, the power that I felt.
I am inviting all of you to take advantage of this special tour that, besides the powerful solar alignment, you're going to have these group healing sessions. I'm going to be offering also individual and couples healing session at your request. I hope to see some of you, and read all the information on my webpage on the link below or somewhere here.